Anthropic released Claude Design and Figma stock is literally going down right now. So in this video, I'm going to explain what Claude Design is, why it's a great deal, and show you how you can actually use this today. So let's get straight to it. The first thing you would need to do is go to claude.ai/design. As long as you have a Claude account, you'll be able to use it. So within this design, there's multiple things you can actually do. But first, let's actually me explain what it is. What it is basically a conversational AI app that allow people to focus on designing whether it's an app, website, slide decks, PowerPoint, etc. Whatever it is, it's able to design that. And you can use that design and then using Claude Code to be able to build an app with it. The unique point about Claude Design is that you can set up your very own design system. Think of it like a system prompt. It is a system that is unique to your company and your brand color. So once you set up the design system, Claude can then reference that design system and actually use that to build the design based on your style, references, colors, fonts, for example, right? So let's like me actually do that live with you right now. So the first thing you do is set up design system, and you can give a company name or perhaps. So I'm just going to say using my own company. So to say Legacy AI, I'll just say it's a futuristic custom AI development agency that focuses on conversational AI agents like chat and voice AI agents. Right, so you can put in a company name in the description, and now you can give examples of your design system and products. Now, I've already got a GitHub repository of my own website, of my own agency website, so I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to copy my GitHub repository and click Add, connect to GitHub, and you just need to authorize and connect to GitHub, and now it's connected to the GitHub repository, which is my website, which contains essentially examples of my design system and products. Right. You can also link it in your computer locally in your code base. You can also, if you have a Figma file, you can also export the Figma file and if you have a Figma design, you can import that here. And if you have any fonts, logo, and assets that could be useful, you can also drag the file here. So as an example, if I literally just browse here and I have essentially a website logo, agency logo that I've been using, I can just upload here. So what I have here is essentially my AI agency logo, and I'm just going to upload here, right? And any other notes, you can also write here. So I could just say, we use a very warm color palette and also like a whitish color palette. And we like using futuristic fonts and also modern fonts, keep it simplistic and simple. Our brand voice is professional, but also modern and on brand with like the latest AI technology vibe. Just need to change it to vibe. And from here, I would just click on continue to generation. And it would take 5 minutes to generate the design system, and I'll just click generate. I'm going to wait for a little bit. And so you can see, Claude right now is actually Claude Code. It's actually updating the tools and kind of copying, reading the different assets and code that I've given it, and it's going to produce a reference and a design system based on that. So as you can see, it finishes designing the design system. So it would say the color palette, some summary, no frame of motion, etc. So it just needs me to review if this looks good or not. So it has the colors and the brand core, and just for references, just to show you our website, it looks something like this. So I would say, yeah, it's close enough. Warm surface, yeah, it's close enough. I would just say it looks good. Colors plus navy style looks good. Font, warm in use, yeah, this looks good. In terms of the font, this also looks good. It also gives you for the website like a hero radial gradient, which is good. The font is also good. Again, I'm just gonna skip through this so that you don't have to see me review all of them. But basically, all you have to do is basically scroll through this, and if it needs to work, you can just click on that. But for now, I'm just gonna click on looks good for all of them for now. You have to display, yep. So basically everything here, everything looks good. And yeah, now it's ready to, your design system is ready. So your team's new project will use this design system by default, right? So this is basically a reference of all the different styles, like the type, section headings, how to use body, what are the brand core colors, which are the accent and warm colors, what does the hero gradient looks like, how should a button look like, how should a testimonial look like, for example, right? Things like that. It's gonna help the agent Claude Design gonna design your system, right? I'll just say everything confirmed. And you can just talk to it, say everything confirmed. Now I would like you to design a pitch deck to investors introducing us, right? So now it's going to ask me a bunch of questions before actually designing this. By the way, you can also go, this is the design system, but you can also go to design files, to see like how this design system is being organized. So you'll have all the assets that you uploaded through the design system. You'll have the fonts, preview, UI kits, upload, colors, the CSS file, read.md, and a skill.md file. So all of these are just how you organize these systems, essentially, right? And then now it's asking me the questions. I was just going to be proceed. Who is this deck for? Angel investors and VC funds. I'll just say angel investors. How should that be? 8 to 10 slides. Key metrics. Everything you need so far. I'll just say, yeah, I'm the co-founder of the team and is responsible for leading team. Used to graduate in Oxford, and I've been working as a data analyst at Deloitte for a little bit as well, with a deep learning and AI background. And then I'll just say AI agency replacing BPO, the operator build automation firm for SMBs. I'll just say all of the above. What's the user form? Expand to productize offering for voice agents and hiring 5 more engineers, for example. And I'll just say we're currently a team of 6. We have 2 co-founders, a project manager, and 4 engineers. How many visual directions you want? I'll just say on brand and polished. I'll just say client logos as heroes, text only, big matrix numbers. Light, I'll just say light for now. I'll just click on continue. Now, as you can see, it finishes writing the stack and it's actually making me to actually preview this. So you can see AI agent works with sleep. Yeah, this is pretty good. The conversation anytime like an operator would. Voice agents, not months. Yeah, real clients, real savings. Yeah, different customers' testimonials. Yeah, this is pretty good. And I'll just say it looks good. And after you finish designing the system, all you have to do, you can either download the project as a zip, you can export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, you can even send it to Canva. But what the powerful feature really is handoff to Claude Code, right? So what I'm going to do is send to Claude Code Web. So I'm just going to open Claude Code Web here. And I send the command, the entire command, into the Claude Code app. So basically, I export the design for Claude Design, read the read.md file in this workspace, and implement the design just transcribe here, ask me if you have any questions, etc. So what this is going to do is going to export and create the design that you have done, that the Claude Design has done, and now Claude Code is going to actually build the app for you itself. So let's actually see this in action. And as you can see, this is basically being built up by the Claude Code, and you can see the slides very clearly now, and I can just save it as a PDF. So yeah, it's pretty good, like a pretty good stacks, like a pretty good PDF they generated. So always remember the flow, basically using Claude Design to create a design, save the design system, and use it to create the design, and then export it to Claude Code, to actually build the app for you. So this is it for me, guys. And you guys enjoy this kind of system. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.